it is time to talk about the wonderful world of dermal fillers. You've done a few fillers over your career, I would guess, huh?
I've had a few fillers, I've done a few fillers.
What is marionettes? What are these puppet lines? What does that look like?
So not necessarily augmenting or changing the shape, but maybe just smoothing out some of the fine lines. So when we're injecting the face, we want to have all different types of tools that we're using. She just looks smooth and more youthful. So when we think about different dermal fillers on the market, it's not just HA. There's polylactic acid, we have calcium hydroxylapatite. Is there something specifically that you're looking to put in your lips? So now she's kind of due. It's been a while for her lips, but I want to look at the anatomy of the lips.
Seeing results before my eyes, which is the best part, right?
They want to be able to utilize full face rejuvenation for all different types of products.